In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot meeting tool. This tool will enhance your productivity by streamlining the management of your meetings and ensuring that scheduling conflicts become a thing of the past. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's important to ensure you're using the correct credentials for a smooth experience. Once you've successfully logged in, we can start configuring your settings. Head over to the Settings menu. You'll find it by clicking on the gear icon, usually located at the top right of your screen. From there, select General, and then navigate to Calendar. This is where we'll start making the magic happen. The next step is crucial: connecting your calendar. Whether you use Google Calendar, Office 365, or Exchange, you want to ensure they're fully integrated with HubSpot. This connection not only allows you to schedule meetings effectively, but also helps you keep track of your appointments all in one place. After you've linked your calendar, it's time to connect your email. This ensures that all your communications are in sync. Having your email and calendar connected to HubSpot not only streamlines scheduling, but also facilitates easier tracking of your messages and appointments. It's a small step that leads to significant time savings. Next, you'll want to ensure that the Meeting Scheduling Pages checkbox is selected. This setting is under the same Calendar Settings menu we explored earlier. Having this option enabled will allow you to create a scheduling page, which is essential for easy booking of meetings. Now that everything is in place, navigate to the Sales tab. Under this tab, you'll find a section called Meetings Scheduler. Click on it to proceed. In the Meetings Scheduler, you'll see an option to Create Scheduling Page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're presented with a choice of meeting types. Whether you need to set up a one-on-one meeting, a group meeting, or a round-robin style meeting, make sure you choose the option that best fits your needs. This choice dictates how your scheduling page will function. Once you've selected the meeting type, it's time to personalize your scheduling page. Here, you can add an internal name that helps you easily identify what the meeting is about. Next, input an event title that your invitees will see. Specify the location, whether it's a physical address or a virtual meeting link, so everyone knows where to go. You can also adjust the duration and availability, ensuring the meeting fits comfortably within everyone's schedule. Tailoring these details will not only help you stay organized, but also provide a seamless experience for those scheduling with you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have efficiently set up your HubSpot meeting tool, ready to make your scheduling processes more streamlined than ever before.